Okay, so what do you do if your ex breaks the court order you've got for the children and just stops contact? Like any answer you're going to get involved in the law is, it depends. If it's a one-off, there's not a lot you can do. Children do get sick, plans do get changed, cars get stuck in traffic jams, that sort of stuff. And let's be reasonable here. Stuff happens. The court is not going to be impressed if you're just taking things back to court just because, I don't know, you're not happy with the ex. You'll need to return things to court if there's an established pattern of contact denial, of the order being broken, that sort of thing. If the children get sick every time they're due to be with you, for example, a little bit unlikely. If they keep getting caught in traffic jams, perhaps leave a little bit earlier. The point is that you'll need to establish a pattern of broken contact. Now, chances are that if you do take the matter back to court and your ex is breaking the order because they just don't like the order, they're going to explain why the order isn't working. They're going to try and change your application for enforcement into a variation. It's worth remembering that Ministry of Justice figures say that over 99% of enforcement applications fail. Typically, they change into a variation where your ex-partner will say, the court order isn't working, the children aren't happy, we need to change the order, and they'll make their case why their breaking the court order is justified and ask to get contact typically varied downward. But if you're the person who's making the application because the contact order is being broken, don't hang around. Once you've got a pattern of established contact, get it back to court for a very simple reason. If you don't, you're accepting it. If you're seen as accepting it, there's a new status quo. If there's a new status quo, you're telling the court and everyone else that you think that what's happening is in the best interest of the children, and you're going to be arguing against that if you do take it back to court at some point in the future. Hope this helps.